Hi guys, Rich Pacini from rjpacini.com. Coming to you today to do a little, hopefully brief demo intro video. Today I'm offering, I got to put it on eBay, but I am offering the Sony Playstation console. I'm going to move my webcam down here and show you what I got going on here. Just turn it like that for a little bit. Okay, here you could see I have the, let me just move this over here. I'm sorry, I don't have too much room on my desk here. I have this console, the Sony console over here. The console is in nice clean condition. It has like a little minor scuff mark along here. And I'm going to plug it in and power it up. It's pretty clean. Okay, all the way around. It's been tested. It works. Okay, this is the overall condition of it. Alright. That's the bottom of it. My hand prints underneath there. Okay. Here's your USB adapters right here. And this one here comes with the I have them wrapped up because, like I said, I'm getting ready to, like I said, but after I take photos and videos, I wrap them up and I get ready to package them away and get them ready for, shipping out. Not that I'm saying they're already sold, but I wrap the cords like the CSO, and I wrap them up again. Whoever gets them, these will be wrapped up again in plastic. So outside of wrapping this up, it'll be wrapped up in plastic. That's why I like to wrap my stuff up, and that's how I like to handle my, package my items. So you're getting the two controllers with them, the two original Sony controllers. Okay, get two of these. Pretty clean condition, as you can see. All right, and I'm going to power it on. Here's the power cord that goes to it, and excuse me. You're getting this here. It's a DVD remote controller for the PlayStation 2. A little oddball configuration here, right? The way it goes in, but it seems to work. And you get the remote control with it. The batteries don't come with it. It takes two AAA batteries. Okay, so you're getting that with it. The whole purpose of this here is I can't play the game. I can't actually do a game with it and stuff like that. Show you that it's actual working on the system. There is no video cord with this here. So if you get the unit, you're gonna have to. If you buy this unit, you're gonna have to get yourself the video cord that attaches back here, so you can plug it on to get it on your screen, your TV, or I guess computer. I don't have one of them. I picked this up at a local thrift store. So this here is what you're going to need. You're going to need the video cable for that there. Okay? And here, back here, as you guys know, I think it's what they call an expansion thing here. Expansion. Well, can't open up. It's for the expansion. It's what do you call it? Expansion bay. It just pops open there. I can't open. I don't have fingernails. And the other thing I'm going to include with this here is the you're getting games with it. Please don't email me, folks, and say, can you sell it without the games or whatever. I want to get rid of the games. These are the games you're going to be getting with it. Okay, so please don't ask, if I could just sell the unit itself, because sometimes I get things like that in the past. I got it, can I buy the unit without the games or whatever? I want to sell them all together and get rid of them. There's nothing wrong with them. I probably am not going to be selling these anymore as far as of right now. I will not be selling any more PlayStation games. Consoles, if I come across them, this is very rare I come across them, because 9 out of 10, when you go to thrift stores, people see these game consoles here, they're usually gone. I remember one time the guy just put it out, and there was a guy standing next to me, and the minute I went to go grab it, the guy pulled it right off the shelf, so I couldn't even get a chance to even pick it up myself. I'm talking about the game console. I'm not talking about the games. The games in thrift stores, you'll find tons of these. Okay, and the ones I go to anyway. I mean, I see these all the time, and after a while, I had enough with them. I don't want to deal with games anymore. Specific games maybe, but I don't want to deal with the games anymore. So the reason I'm putting them up, they're all for PlayStation 2, as you can see. Okay. And that's basically it. So if you get the unit, you're getting 5 games with it. You're getting these games with it, so keep that in mind. Okay, the games are in good condition. They work. All right, so this is what you're going to be getting with it. And now I'm going to just plug it in, and I'm going to show you that it works. I mean, as far as like it powers up and stuff, because you might say, well, what good is that powering up? I suppose it don't actually work. If this is the first time coming to me, buying off of me, folks, I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you never have to worry about buying something. If you get the item home and you try it out and it doesn't seem to work for you, whatever, for whatever reason, you got 30 days to return it. You don't have to worry about it. It's sitting there saying, I'm stuck with it. I seen somebody was selling one of these here. They put in the all sales are final, no returns. Okay, I will take it back under one condition, that is not broken. You don't give it back to me. Well, let's say the dry bay is broken, or there's something where where it's not resellable. Then I'm going to have a problem with that. That I can't do. Okay, so the way I send it to you is the way I would like to have it sent back. Now, some buyers will do that and some won't. I sent the printer to a buyer and they later on returned it. I had it all wrapped up in plastic. They didn't wrap it back up in plastic. I'm not going to make a complaint over that there. That's okay, That's just the way it is. But, for the most part, if you get the way I send it to you, and, well packaged, bubble wrapped or whatever, however it gets to you, send it back the same way. That's all I ask, okay? And please, just make sure everything is intact when you send it back to me, okay? But anyway, let me power it up. I have an extension cord over here. This is just to show you that it does work. It does power up, okay? And like I said, you don't have to worry about it. You say, well, it powers up over there. Suppose I get it home, I put it in, I plug it in, whatever, it doesn't work, send it back, okay? No need to worry, okay? I wouldn't want to get stuck with something that don't work, we're not happy with. And I wouldn't want to see a buyer doing that either. So I'm gonna push this little gizmo in here into the front over here like this. Bear with me, folks. I had a PlayStation 2, but I never got one of these things with it. I think it goes this way here. Okay. Now, for all intents and purposes, I'm going to plug these in. I don't know. The reason I want to plug these in is I don't want it to damage anything. Like sometimes, whoops, I'm going to drop my hand here. It's okay, folks. It's okay. I don't want this here to, I don't know. Sometimes these things have to be plugged in order to make them function or whatever. I don't want to take a chance, so I'm going to plug it in here like this. Okay. Let's see, right over here. Now, the thing is, I noticed with these here, with the remote control here, I don't know if this is supposed to, when you power it on, if it's supposed to make this come out, or the game, it's only for the game. Like, in other words, you could advance in the game. If you look at the controller, maybe you have a better idea with this here. You might be saying, well, I'm powering it up and stuff like that. It does power up. I don't know exactly all the functions. Okay, so I'm assuming it had to be hooked up to the TV, I would believe. Okay, but you are getting a remote control for this here. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. I like to do these videos live, so you see it live. And it's not no smoke and mirrors. Okay, here's a plug over here. All right, leave this over here for the time being. And I'm going to power it on. And as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it. There's the lighting here is not the greatest. Did I power it on or I powered it off? Okay. Maybe I didn't power it on. Oh, this extension cord is not the greatest extension cord. Let's see here. Now, let's see, maybe they powered on here. Oh, there we go. Okay. I thought I had it powered on. Okay. You can see the red light's on. And I want to make sure when this opens up here, I don't want that to get in the way. Whoops. Okay. As you can see, folks, it's this does power on. You see it does come out of the tray here. Okay. So you see that does work. We'll do it one more time. Make sure these are out of the way here. Okay. So that works. All right. I wish I could hook it up to the TV to show you that it's an actual working, with a game and stuff, but I don't have the video cable for it. And here is the if you look over here, I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna take this here and just show you. It does acknowledge this does work with this. As you can see, the light goes on there. Okay. However, I don't know if this is supposed to change the game when it's on the TV. Okay. I'm trying to see. I don't think this opens the door, the dry bay door here. I don't think it does that because I tried it earlier. But you can see the light does go on. when I hit the buttons. Okay. If anybody knows anything about this part, please let me know. All right. But you can see I'm hitting all the buttons, and you can see it's interacting with this receiver here. Okay. I don't know when we hit this button, the same thing. I would think this would have to be on the TV, you know, plugged when you have it plugged into your TV. I think that's when all these things will operate. I don't think this opens the door here. I don't think so. It looks like that's a play button to start the game to play. You know, I could do this. I don't think it would do anything. Let me just, I'm going to put this Shark Tale game. It's a PlayStation game. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Alright, let's see what happens here. I don't think that's going to do anything for it, folks, but... Okay, I don't think that means anything or whatever. Let's see. See, it's really hard to tell. You know, I really can't tell like this here. I think this has to be on. You have to have this connected to your television. Yeah, because it has, look, it has the menu button here. This definitely has to work with the TV. Okay? You notice the light's staying on steady now. See? So it's probably reading the disc in there. And you can see the controller came on. This one anyway came on. That works too. As you can see, the controllers work. Okay? That just powered off. Okay? Again, I don't know if that's supposed to read anything. You can see your lights are on here. You got a green, you got the blue, you got your controller lights on. And again, I don't know again what this is all about, but you can just see when I hit the button here, it does activate, you know, the remote control with the receiver part here. Okay, so my guess is right now is that this has to be hooked up to your television to make it work. Okay, so that's the way I see that working. Now you ain't getting no interaction with the button here, the remote. I don't know if something's going on in there. Oh, there you go. Okay, all right. So I don't want to keep playing with the folks, but this is what you're getting with it. Just to let you know, I'm going to take the Shark Tale game out of there. All right. All right, we're going to close that up. Okay. So you are getting the Shark Tale game with it. There's no booklet with this one here where I got your attention. There's no booklet with this one here. Okay. There's no booklet with this. The other ones I believe have booklets with them. The Guitar Hero one here too. I think this has the booklet. Yeah, that has. There's no memory cards either with this, folks. Just to let you know. So you're getting the booklet with this and the DVD, of course. All right. The basketball one. Same thing with this. You know, if you're new to the PlayStation or whatever, it's a good starter. It's good starter games to play with. You know, if you got little kids that are into this type of stuff. Well, the Guitar Hero. You gotta have the Guitar Hero, of course. I guess you have to have a guitar to play this, of course. No doubt. So with that one, you get a thing here, and you got Guitar Hero 2. Okay, you got that going on. And the last one is Robots. And that comes with the booklet as well. Okay, so this is what you get with this, folks, all right? Just to let you know. I'm sorry my video is very... The webcam keeps going on and off. I'm sorry. Okay, so just keep that in mind, folks. This is what you're getting. I'm going to power this off so I don't short anything out here. Not that it would. You get two controllers, two game controllers. Okay, you get two of these. And these will, everything you see here will be wrapped up in plastic. Okay, and remember, there's no batteries included with this here, folks. That's just for demo purposes, just to show you that these two things work. They do interact with each other. And again, this will be wrapped up in plastic as well. So these two, this is what you're getting with that. You get your controllers. As you see, they did power up. Okay. And you're getting the main thing right here, the console. There is no original packaging with this, folks. There's no original packaging, just to let you know. Or user manuals and stuff like that with this here. Okay, so this is what you see. What you see here is what you're getting. All right, just to let you know. That's to recap it. What you're seeing is what you're getting right here. Okay, so you get your two controllers and that. If you got any questions, folks, please email me at rjpacini@verizon.net. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If this is the first time coming to my YouTube channel, or in this particular case, the eBay listing, my name is Rich Pacini from rjpacini.com. I do sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos. This one, I believe, I said, and if I said in the beginning or not, I believe this is a kind of like intro demo video. If I messed up, I'm sorry, but it's just, you know what it's all about. It's just to enhance you and give you a little insight as to what you'd be getting if you do buy this item off of me. And again, I offer a money-back guarantee. I do a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you never have to worry about buying an item and getting stuck with it. Like I said, I have seen other sellers out there, listing these items, and a couple of them have, all sales are final, no return. I don't want to play that. I don't do it that way. I'm not saying the way they do their business is wrong, but I don't want to see anybody get stuck with something. If you buy something like this here and you're not happy with it, send it back. Okay, that's all I say. But just send it back the way I sent it to you, packaged. Send it back the same way with everything with it. I had somebody send back a printer, and they didn't send me back the printer cable. The buyer was nice enough to send it back, separately, but or else otherwise I'd have to go out and buy a USB printer cable, and that doesn't help me out, So I mean, he returned the printer. The printer came back, but I didn't get the printer cable. I need that cable, so I want to use it for other purposes to sell to the other buyer, so they could hook it up to their computer or whatever. So that's basically it. But if you like what I do with these videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you like what I do with them, that you get some information out of it, helps you out making a buying decision, give it a thumbs up. But thanks again, folks, for stopping by. I will talk to you soon. I got another video to do on a printer, and that'll be coming up shortly. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day. Bye.